Hello everyone, welcome back to my channel. And today's video will show you how to create Shopify account and step by step how to create your own professional Shopify store. As you see guys, it's very easy. So let's get started. First guys, open your browser. Then in the search bar, type shopify.com. Then guys, make sure to open the official link of Shopify. Then in the search bar, in the middle there is enter your email address. Then you need to type your email address. Then guys, tap and click on start free. After 3 months you will pay $1 for a month. Then guys, first step, just tap on select the first one on the left. I'm just starting. Then hit on next. Then guys, again hit an online store, then hit on next. What do you plan to sell first? If you don't know what you will sell, just hit on skip. Then you need to tap your what would like name your store. Then you need to tap and your name store, for example all new switch, for example. Then hit on next. Choose your country, United States. And hit on next. Scroll down and hit on next. Then guys, you need to add your email or your email account. Hit on next again, and tap and add your password. Then hit on next. Then you need to verify your email address. As you see guys, your Shopify account was created successfully. Then if you want to create your own professional website, just follow these steps to make your account and or your website more professional and more technical. As you see guys, first go and sales channels, then go to online store, then hit on online store. Then guys, scroll down and choose the theme of your website. Then guys, if you want to select the theme, just scroll popular free theme, then hit and popular free theme. Then you can add your popular free theme or select one of these. For example, I will choose this one. This is your free theme. Then if you want to add it, just tap and click on try theme. As you see guys, this is your theme was added to your Shopify store. Then wait a few seconds. As you see guys, your theme was added successfully. Then if you want to customize it and edit and create your own professional website, just go and click on customize. As you see guys, this is your theme of the website. Then if you want to edit the home page or announcement bar or holder, then if you want to add a section and go directly to announcement bar. As you see guys, this is the announcement bar. If you want to add it, just go directly to the right side and for example tap on free shipping. As you see guys, the free shipping was added and the announcement bar on the top. Then if you want to remove it, just delete it automatically. The announcement bar was removed in the home page. Then if you want to add it again, just tap free shipping, then it will add it automatically. Then guys, the free shipping was added. If you want to add another one, just click on add announcement, then automatically it will add it. As you see guys, it will add it automatically. Then guys, if you want to add some section, for example collection list or image banner or slideshow, then tap on slideshow. Then you can add too much image to slideshow your product, or you can remove it if you don't need it. As you see guys, it's very easy. Thank you so much for watching. See you in the next video.